National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in north central Texas until 3:15 p.m. At 2:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Munster, or 13 miles west of Gatesville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Gatesville, Munster, Lindsay, and Callisburg. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 492 and 503. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Intense thunderstorm winds can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for north central Texas.